Welcome back to Isolating Concept. I'm late today. Yeah, up and all late. I mean, near about 1 hour late. This is not the channel for the signal service, so you are not allowed to copy my trade. You are here only to see the analysis. So thanks for joining. If everything is clear, if you can hear me, please let me know that everything is clear and you can hear me perfectly. Then I will go for the price action. I need to know that. Okay, so can you hear me? Please let me know that. Okay. Clear and can hear you. Okay, thank you, man. Thanks for confirming that you can hear me. Okay, before starting today's live, I would love to tell you that uh, whatever I'm doing here, until you will stay here until you will think that yeah, you are getting something from here. Okay, when you will get that no, there is nothing left you can get from here, just leave. Okay, but don't tell me anything to do or not to do. That's my request to all of you. When you will think it's not useful for you, not anymore, just leave. Okay, quietly. But don't tell me don't do that and please do that. Don't tell me that. Okay, I hope you'll understand. Just don't give me the direction. That's the request to all of you guys. Thank you for joining. So this level 18134.75 and this hourly fair value cap, that is exactly 18,000. Okay, so I told that this will be my today's target. Today's morning session, I mean London session, I told that I'm bearish until price will reach to that new week opening gap. When price will come to this new week opening gap, I'll be bullish for short term, not for long term. If I see this new week opening gap is broken again, then I will wait until price reach to that hourly fair value gap. Okay, so that was my whole concept. I have tweeted yesterday these two level, this 18134 and this hourly fair value gap level yesterday. Okay, not today. And today morning I actually outlined that new week opening gap things, and I told that I will be bullish for short term, not for long term. When price will come here to that new opening gap. So price, you can see it has taken that sell side liquidity perfectly. It tapped to this new week opening gap. This is just a reaction. I'm thinking this is just a reaction. Now over here, this is today's new day opening gap. I would love to talk about the price action here first. Okay, so yesterday actually there was no precise price action, but today, look, where did this candle came to that 50-minute fair value gap. Here when price came here and retraced, right, it came here and retraced. What do you have over there? Is there anyone who can challenge me? No, brother, this is not the last fair value gap from 15 meters. If there is anyone, your challenge is accepted. So this is the last fair value gap from 15 meters. Now you don't need that to take that run. You don't need that, but just look how far it reached and when it retraced. It went lower, tapped to that order block, went higher, then it fall. This is the perfect reversal. Is that a random area? Just tell me, is that a random area or not? I know still some of you will complain that no, this thing doesn't work. Is that a random area? I don't think so. This is a random area. Okay, so here this is the new week opening gap, the strongest fair value gap, and yep. So if you ask me what is my bias now, am I bullish? No, I'm not bullish. I'm bearish. Still, I'm bearish. Until price tap to this hourly fair value gap, I'm bearish. Why? See this reversal? This is from a random area. I believe that this is a random area. So when I have seen this random reversal, price came here, it reversed from the random area as well. So here, this random run, just this random run, market has to correct that first. That's why I'm bearish. Now, maybe I'll be wrong. Maybe I will be wrong again. Market maybe never come here today. It will keep going higher. Am I going to participate in that buy run? No, I'm not going to do that. Because I'm bearish, I'll be bear. When I will look for sell, if market can break that new week opening gap, I will look for sell until that hourly fair value gap. Now, after trading that hourly fair value gap, is it going to break that hourly entry fair value gap and going to trade that last fair value gap from the hourly chart? I don't know. Okay, I don't know, but I'm bear from new week opening gap to that hourly fair value gap. So it will be near about something like 60 handle, okay, 63 handle. If I am able to take 20 handle from here out of 63 handle, I'm happy. So that's my base. Why I'm bearish? Do I have any sell side liquid? No, I don't have. Do I have any buy side liquid? No, I don't have. Yeah, I have some buy side liquidity around that area, but it's too far. And I believe that market will go toward that using FOMC. Okay, not right now. So right now, if even if market would love to go higher, it has to reach in a I mean in a what to say? I mean certain level. Okay, see this reversal. This is this is just a random reversal. So it came here, it went higher. So this two reversal here and here is random. It didn't tap to that 50-minute last fair value gap. It didn't tap to that hourly entry fair value gap. So this reversal, this is the price action from, actually this is the end of the Friday and this is the starting of that Monday. So I will count that the Monday price action. So from here to here, this I'm just counting that as a Monday price action. This whole price action was unfair. I really love that word. Who actually told that word? I forgot, but yeah, whoever actually used that word, unfair word, I love it. So this whole price action is unfair price action. Now market is over here. Until now, I'm right. I would love to see market will break that new week opening gap and it will fall until that hourly fair value gap at least. This is entry fair value gap. When price will came here, I'll be bullish again. I'll look for buy until that new week opening gap. If market can reach to that new week opening gap, something like that here. If here I'm bearish, price came here, then I will be bullish. Until here, I'll be bullish. If market can break that new week opening gap again, then I'll be bullish again. Okay, and if market fail to break that on, instead of that it want to go lower, I will stay still for some times. Okay, I will try to scalp, but yeah, I'm in a indecision mode over here. Over there I have no buy side, I have no sell side run, so I don't have any direction if market can reach over here. So when market will be here, then basically I will be bullish, not so confident, like something like that. Okay, so this is that area over here. If this thing happened, exactly if this thing happened, I'll be in a indecision mode. Right now where price went, it came to that 15-minute level. So I'm gonna mark it and I'm gonna remove it from my chart. I'll be in 1-minute chart. I would love to go to regular trading hour to see, okay, the regular trading hour, this uh, opening gap is no more important because we have already passed 10. So this opening gap is actually valid until 10. So you can see market tap that opening gap low over here, then it went lower and it has came here. Okay, so right now I'm looking for bear run. In short, this is the fact. Okay, the fact, and let's just state that 1-minute last level gap. Let's see if it has the power go lower or not. Now what should you look for here? Just a market structure shift, just a market structure shift toward that hourly fair value gap. Am I going to frame my trade from here? No, I'm not going to do that. I will frame my trade when I will see market will go below that new week opening gap one more time. Here I'm seeing this as a fake breakout. If market can go below that new week opening gap one more time, I will start to frame my trade from here to here. That will be my run. Now again guys, don't copy my trade. I don't care who wants to stay here, I don't care who wants to leave me, I don't have any problem, but you can't copy my trade. Do your own analysis. I have already give you the best way to trade. I already am what I'm trying here to give you the direction. How can you fix your direction? How can you go for that? I'm just trying to do that. Entry setup, I have already taught so many things. I mean so many entry way. It's your job how you will utilize your entry setup. Okay, so it's your job, guys. Yeah, so while I'm here trying to give you the direction, how can you be so perfect about your direction? Did I talk about these two level today? No, I didn't do that. I told you from yesterday that market is going to fall even after seeing this huge run, huge bull run. Okay, until here, huge bull run, still I told that market is going to go over here. Now maybe I'm wrong, maybe market will be unable to reach over here, maybe. Okay, still it came until here. There was the setup at the London session. Mm, so here I took this buy run though, but yeah, whatever. The setup was at the London session. Now I wasn't here in front of the, no offense, sorry, in front of my chart because I missed that 7 a.m. 7 kill zone run. I totally missed that run. Okay, if I were here in front of my chart, I would try to catch that run. I'm trying to do that. Okay, so I was trying every time. I am very much perfect with the 7 a.m. kill zone. I'm really getting fan of that 7 a.m. kill zone, but I wasn't here. Now I gave you the the what to say, I mean the direction. Now I will work with my direction. If I don't push my button, that doesn't matter. I will just keep outlining the market and I give you the direction. Looking for the setup is your job. Your job is to look for the trade. Okay, I'm not gonna tell you when you should look for the entry today. Okay, today is going to be your day. Okay, your day. I will try to tell you when you should look for buy, when you should look for sell. I will just try to do that. That's all I'm trying to do right now. I'm bearish. If I'm wrong, then I'm not going to anticipate or participate in this price action. If I'm wrong, when I will try to take sell if market can break that new week opening gap. At the same time here, I'm not interested to do anything. Look at this price action from 1 minute chart, very messy, right? Let's go to 15 minute chart. Can you see something here? No, you can't. Let's go to 5 minute chart. Is there anything from 5 minute chart? Nothing. So don't be stopped out or don't be chopped up around that area. Nothing over here, no fair value gap over here. So wait. How long you will wait? See this new week opening gap, let it break first. If it is broken, you go for that hourly fair value gap. If you see market went higher and it's keep going higher, then we will outline our buy setup. But though I don't want to see that. To be honest, I really don't want to see that. But if it happens, then I will tell you that when I'm gonna change my direction, I will tell that. Okay, so for uh, according to the price action, I'm not bullish. I hope you got my point. Now if you want to take us, I mean if you want to frame a setup over here, I mean it's not raw bad. Okay, but in that type of situation, your limit will be here until that new week opening gap. If you can frame your trade over here, then your trade will be until that new week opening gap. Again guys, until that new week opening gap, you have to close your trade when it will tap to that new week opening gap. You can't hold it. I don't care how beautiful the setup is, I don't care even if market comes here. You have to either take the partial or you have to close your trade. I'm not gonna push my button because it's true, man. When I push my button, I really feel so pressure. I can't concentrate on the price. I pay more attention of my losing or of my winning, because in front of 200, 300 people, if I take a losing trade, I'm not used to that. Okay, I'm not used to that. So I will better give you the direction and you will go with your setup. If you see any setup, please go for that. Okay, I'm not telling you that to take entry. I'm not telling you to tell you that please stay outside of this market. I'm not telling anything to you. It's your job what you want to do. Okay, around the 9:30 there was any setup or not? Let me check. Actually, this is the 9:30 candle. Price went lower. This candle came in a very random level. Okay, I'm gonna mark the random level. All I care about the body. This is just a random level. I know. This is a random level. So price came here to that random level, went higher in a very random level. In a very random level. Yeah, this is a random level. Price went lower, it came here. Let me check if I can get something over here or not. I'm gonna mark another random level. Okay, I don't know it has traded that or not. I'm just going to mark the last parallel gap. That's all. I don't know anything about that. I just mark that on. Just tap to the random level. Okay, I didn't really know that, man. This is just a random level. Price came to a random level, closed to that random level, went higher. Where did it close? Another random level. I'm gonna mark another random level. I don't know who actually is giving you that much precision. Just I use that small price went higher. This is also a random level. I'm gonna mark that random level. I just want to mark the random level. Here is your random level. Now, how much random level do you need more? I don't know, brother. Just I marked all of this random level here. This last parabolic up random level. 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 Random level. Random level. How many random level do you need more? It's your job, okay, to do the back test, to go for the trade, to do everything. I'm not here to tell you something that I'm good or bad or something like. No, I'm not doing that. It's your job to do the back test. I gave you something. If you can utilize them, it's your good. If you can't utilize them, it's your bad. Okay, so what I was looking for, bearish entry. I mean, sorry, bear run. So I'm going to get it. I'm happy. Okay. All I want to see, market will break that new weak opening gap. That's all I want to see. Again, man. Okay, guys, I can see of uh lot of comment. I'm extremely sorry. I wasn't able to read all of your question. I mean comment. I'm sorry. But yeah, guys, yesterday I was just a bullshit. To be honest, I was just what happened to me. I really don't know. I was just egoistic. Okay, I told that market is going higher, so I depend on my word. I just overlook all the price action over there. How beautiful the price action over here, man. I just missed all of this price action, everything. So really I was very upset. Actually, I don't feel upset. Okay, I really don't feel upset. Even when I closed my session, I tried to take buy again over here and that area. So far I remember, sorry, sell, not buy, actually sell over there. And I just messed up everything yesterday. So yeah, but today I feel confident again. So I'm back in my place. Okay, I'm back in my place. So here I'm just trying to show you something that you can use. Okay, look, when you are looking for sell, you will frame your trade from the last parallel gap. When you are looking for buy, you will frame your trade from the last parallel gap. If you are looking for sell, you will avoid that last parallel gap, but you will expect some kind of reaction from that last parallel gap. So price came here to that last parallel gap. This is just a reaction. Okay, this is just a reaction, not the reversal. No, market is not going higher so far. No, you should not like that, think like that way until it reach to a specific level. Okay, until that you should look for that run. Okay, so here you can see it came to the consequent crossment of the new weak opening gap. This new weak opening gap has the power to send the price higher, but all I want to see, market will break that new weak opening gap, then use this new weak opening gap as a resistance until that hourly fair value. That's my expectation. I'm not telling that it's going to happen. It can happen. It is not going to happen. But yeah, that's all I want to see. This candle should go through this new week opening gap from 15-minute chart, and it should close below that low. See this low? It should go below that low. Here, I'm going to 1-minute chart again. If I get some kind of reaction over here, if I get a very nice buy setup, I'm not interested to take that buy. Okay, I'm not interested at all to take that buy. All I want to see is sell on. Now here, this is my analysis. If you are thinking that market is going higher, please go for that. Okay, so you can say, brother, market has taken the London session low, maybe Asia session low, maybe what did it take? Maybe it has taken Monday's low. everything has taken over here. Okay, so market is now going for the high, or Monday session high, maybe London session high, maybe Asia session high. So you are bullish. Welcome, brother. Please frame your trade, bull trade, depending on your analysis. This is just my expectation. I'm not a market maker. I don't know anything about this price action. So I will wait for the price action and I will change my direction when it will prove me wrong. When I will be proved wrong, then I will go for I'm gonna change my direction. Okay. Until then, I'm bearish. Now I'm not wanna talk, I don't want to talk to about the bull run, because when I will see that, I will tell you that, because until now I don't see anything that can tell me that market is going higher. Nothing over here. So I'm bearish. I just can't give you the example when I will change my bias. I just can't give it to you. I have to wait for the price action. So price reject from the constant encroachment, then it has been rejected from the high of that new week opening gap. All I want to see this reaction when this will be done, boom, something like boom. It will break this two level. I mean, sorry, this three level, and it will close maybe below that low. That's all I want to see. Then there is two type of entry setup. First, something like that. Either it has to do something like that, or you will look for some kind of 22 IT model around that area. Anything you want to frame, you can frame. If it keep going higher, I don't care. I don't want to see the bull run. That's all. So I'm not interested to take the bull run. Here, all the price action look over here. It's very messy, very messy. So yeah, just wait for the better price action. Okay, take new day more plus VE. It's okay. Okay, positive. It's okay. Okay, Sizo. Don't think of that. Okay, thank you, man. Must be drama. I mean random. Okay, how are you, brother? I'm fine, Robin. Thanks for asking, brother. Mid Quartel, learning a lot from you. Thank you, Mid Quartel. If you can learn something from me, I'll be very happy. Thank you, man. Unfair random drama. Okay, Sarjay, Harman, there are so random levels in such sophisticated algorithm. Yeah, you can say, Harman, you can say, brother. And I would love to come here to 50 minutes at one more time. I have nothing to do around that area. Okay, remember, as I told you, if you take that entry, you have to close your trade when it will be tapped to that new week opening gap, because this can be the reaction. This can be the reaction. Even this can be the reversal as well. It can be the reversal as well. So you have to close your trade over there. Whatever. Let's wait little more time, because market is just sloppy over here. Look at this candle. How beautifully this candle came here, go back again to that area, and going to close around that area. Maybe it will make a bull move or something. So yeah, you have to wait. Am I looking for buy? No, I'm not looking for buy. I'm not even interested to take the buy. I want to see this first parabolic gap will be broken. It should not support the price. It should be broken. I mean, a body close below that parabolic gap. That's all I want to see. If I'm right, if market would love to go lower, it should break that parabolic gap before taking that high. Okay, so that's all I want to say. If I was bullish, this is the perfect place where take buy. If I was bullish, now I'm not bullish here, so I'm not gonna take the buy. Yo, back. Yes, we'll go for buy side. Aditya Singh. Okay. Mark Hanson, don't forget to like. Yeah, guys, please don't forget to give me a simple like. Aditya. Yeah, man, it can happen, brother. It can happen. As I told you, if market would love to go higher, there is nothing wrong with that. I will see that as a reaction from new week opening gap. All I told you that I want to see market will go lower. That's all I want to see. I'm not telling that market is not going higher, market is not going lower. No, nothing. I just explained my expectation to you. Now, why I'm expecting that? That's all I have already explained. Okay, why I'm expecting that? I have already explained that as well. So I believe that I just didn't tell that market is going for that buy side liquidity, market is not going for that sell side. I didn't tell that. I explained, okay, why market is coming here. I explained that. So you have to explain yourself why you are looking for buy, why you should market should go higher, and where from exactly from where market is going higher. So you have to look for that, okay. I want to see a body close below that fair value gap. That's all I want to see. Stephen, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, Stephen, for reminding the guys who actually missed the like. Guys, there is 200 people and there is only 48 likes. So if I don't get at least 100 likes, I'm gonna stop. To be honest, brother, I am gonna stop reading the price. I will just see the price, nothing else. I will just stop. Okay. So please make it at least 100 likes, guys. I deserve a like. More than 100, 200 people and still just I got. Are you kidding me, man? Just 48 likes. Seriously? Why I'm looking for like, man? I'm looking for like because like will help me for the YouTube algorithm. My narrative is it should take buy side then come lower if it wants to come lower. No, that's not my narrative. It's because you have to think about the FOMC. If it has taken the buy side liquidity, then it come lower, then market has no need to go higher again. That means it's going to leave the buy side liquidity for the FOMC. Okay, so market, that's my thinking. If market would love to go higher by using FOMC or any kind of news, then it has to leave the buy side liquidity for that news, and it will stay here below here, and it will tap, you will trade some kind of unfair, and it has to done some unfair business. Okay, it has to make some unfair business fair. That's my thinking. Okay, brother Aditya. But again, brother, I'm not telling that you are wrong, I'm not telling that I'm right, I'm just telling you my expectation. Okay, so I hope you will understand, or otherwise later you will come to me and you will tell me, brother, see, market went higher and then it went lower, so I was right, you were wrong. No, I don't want to be wrong. I just, you are always right, you guys are always right. This should work as the inversion fair value gap. This fair value gap should work as the inversion fair value gap. This fair value, just this fair value gap, something like that. Here it should not go above that high, and it should come here maybe. Okay, something like that. It should work like that way. Now again, if you want to frame your trade over here, it's your risk. Okay, you have to take that risk. I'm not gonna tell you what is going to happen or when you should look for your entry, which entry you are looking for. It's your job to look for the entry or to look for everything. But I'm here just I'm just expressing my expectation. That's all, brother. That's all. Okay. Maybe market is going higher. I'm absolutely wrong. See, this is also respecting, first it has to respect the constant cosman, now it is respecting the high of that new week opening gap. So obviously it can fall. Okay, obviously it can, I mean sorry, obviously it can go higher, but as I'm expecting market will go lower, it should break that new week opening gap right now. It should just break it. It should not respect this area one more time. When I got this respect, perfect. Two time I got the respect. Now it should break. Again, if you ever take any kind of entry, that will be your responsibility. You will be responsible for your trade. I'm not gonna responsible for your win or for your loss. Okay, maybe I'm perfectly wrong. Yeah, I will push my button, maybe, I'm not sure. Okay, but if I push my button, I will go with something I know, I didn't explain, something like that. I don't want to go with something you know or I explained. Like inversion fair value gap, I explained why this is inversion fair value gap. This high failed to take that high. This fair value gap overlapped by this fair value gap. My obvious liquidity is over here. Market should trade over here to that hourly fair value gap. This is that is why this is that inversion fair value gap. Your stop loss has to be just above that high. I don't know I put it over there or not, but just let it go. Okay, I don't care about this tool. That's why this is the inversion fair value gap. Let me write it down. But again, I'm not telling, this is an invitation of taking entry. If you want to take that risk, that's your responsibility. You can take that on by your responsibility. In Kovinev, brother, please do not feel the pressure. It is FOMC week, as ICT says. Even for him, it is tough and low probability. So price can do very random things. Obviously, brother, I agree with you. Mhm. Looking good, Alex. Alex, what is that? Fosser. FAUCHER. Fosser. I don't know. I'm just mispronounced your name or not, but yeah, I think it's look good. Okay. Yeah, okay, okay. Let's see if this inversion parabolic gap can hold it and the last parabolic gap can hold the price or not. So far, the last parabolic gap holding the price. I'm happy to see that. All I want to see, it should expand lower now. If it really wants to go lower, this is the time for the lower run. Here again, this is the first parabolic gap that should be broke. Okay, no, no, sorry. This is not the first parabolic gap actually. So it should break that one. Otherwise, I'll be stopped out over there. High as here, just above that high over there. That should be the stop loss. If I get it, okay, so it stopped out me. I'm gonna remove that one. This is the reason it's highly risky, because it failed to break that new week opening gap. That's why I told that I will frame my trade when market will go below that new week opening gap. If it can reach below that new week opening gap, then it's perfect to frame the trade. Here this all reaction can happen until market decides to go lower. Until then it can keep happening. Here reaction, here reaction, here reaction, just doing this consolidation or whatever, because market has a level which has the power to stop the price, send it back higher. Okay, that's why it can keep happening. I will frame my trade when market will break that new week opening gap. Then I will frame my trade until that hourly fair value gap. Okay, it's your job which entry you will take and which entry you are going to, I mean, what to say, you are going to avoid. Usually really choppy day before FOMC, at least for big part of day. Then it's true, brother. I mean, CPI day, non-farm payroll week, FOMC just before the FOMC day. Usually it's choppy. Usually, okay, it's choppy. It's little difficult, but still we can frame the trade. Still we will be able to frame our trade. All we have to do to wait. When we will get the chance, we will take that entry. When market is below here, below this parallel gap, you are not allowed to take the buy. When market is above that new week opening gap, you are not allowed to take sell. Even if you take a sell or take a buy, that's a highly risky entry. So you have to understand that. Okay. I'm bullish MMBM with SMT. Please, brother, go for that. As I told, nobody, please skip your trade or skip your entry depending on my analysis. I just give you my expectation. If it works, I will go for the trade. If it doesn't work, I'm not interested. If this new week opening gap has broken, I will go for sell from here. I will just push my button depending on my analysis. So I will try to push my button which I have never showed you, never talked about that. So I'll try to do that. But if I see something obvious, then I will have no opportunity. I have to push that, and you will understand that beforehand. Over here, if market would love to really go higher, I'm not interested. I'm not interested at all. Thank you, gaming. Thank you, brother. I'm using 200 EMA as a follow-up confirmations. Okay, I don't believe though. This 200 EMA average moving. Moving average actually. I don't believe them. Not anymore. But before, yeah, I was the believer. I was the believer of that type of things. Okay, so it's not valid anymore. I'm gonna remove it, and also I'm gonna remove it. The last five lookup, I'm gonna mark the last five lookup from that area one more time, and let's see. So you can see this is that 15-minute five lookup. Price came one time, went lower, came back to the constant crossment of that new week opening gap, went higher. First time it came to the low, second time it came to the constant crossment. Still I have the chance to go lower. I'm still bullish. Bearish. I'm still bearish. Turtles with that high. Uh, I'm reading price today, brother, and taking lots of notes. Really love learning from you. Thank you, brother. Uh, the Elmer Alvarez. I have no right to take the turtle soup entry. As ICT told, if you want to take the turtle soup entry, you have to have near about 10 years of experience to trade depending on that turtle soup. So you have to keep taking entry 10 years consistently to take the turtle soup. So I don't have that much experience, so I'm not gonna take the turtle soup entry rather. Okay, so this is not turtle soup entry. And let me check actually. So there is the SMT actually. Maybe I'll be able to frame the mitigation block over here. Maybe I'm not sure, okay? Because I got the SMT from mini S&P and Nasdaq. I'm not sure that I'm going to get that mitigation block or not. If I get it, I'll show it. If I don't get it, I'm okay. Let's see if it can close below that fair gap or not. And if it go above that high, this setup is not valid. If it can go above that high, then this whole setup is not valid at all. I made some profit today, but did not close at target profit. Okay, so it has closed above that high, so it's not valid anymore. I am gonna close it. Let me come to this 15-minute chart one more time. I would love to see how it reacts. So until now, this new week opening gap reaction is too strong. Gonna remove it from my chart. It's too strong. Let's see if this 15-minute travel cap is broken or not. Still now I'm bearish, okay? I'm not bullish. I'm seeing all of this as a liquidity taken, nothing else. I'm just watching this as a liquidity taken, nothing else. It's like a little bit bullish. Absolutely. It's look like that, brother. I agree with you. Look like that. I told you that if it wants to go higher, it can go higher. I'm just not going to take participate to that run. That's all. Nothing else. I'm not interested to take buy. I will do that when I will get the confirmation that market love to go higher. Until then, I'm not interested to take buy. That's all. I'm seeing all of this run as a liquidity taking run. Okay. So market is actually taking the liquidity. That's all I'm seeing. You're going to miss everything. Okay, I'm gonna do that. I'm going to miss everything. The last fair value gap. Let's see. It has the power or not. Last fair value gap. Read my previous comment. What was that? What was that, brother? It's like a little bit bullish. I told it 15-minute flipping to bullish. Yeah, it can be bull run. All I told you that I'm not going to enter into a bull market. That's all I told you. Okay, so hope that you will understand. I want to see a body close below that fair value. That's all I want to see. It seems like it will hit me. If I get hit, the first loss is on its way. Just read the price. Okay, if you are bullish, please go for that bull run. I'm bearish, so I would love to stay with my expectation. Okay, I don't want to go against my direction. Even if I get stopped out, I'm happy with that. Just all I want to see. Don't copy my trade. So first loss. I closed my long here. Congratulations, Kalune, for getting that profit, brother. MSS now forming. Let's see rework. Let's see, brother, if we get it or not. All I want to see, it will break that order block level. I want to see that. That's all I want to see. Let's form first. Again, guys, if you are bullish, you are congratulations. Whoever take the bull run, you are already profitable, right? So whoever is actually profitable, don't go for the next trade. That's my request to all of you. If you are already profitable, stop over there. You are done. Okay, you are done. So don't push your button again. Advance boom. Robin Hood. Now it should go lower. Let's see if it can go low or high. We will see that very soon. Either it's gonna hit the stop loss or it's gonna go lower with a dramatic way. So we will see either way the big run now. Let me check the 50-minute chart. Yep, it came here. There is a small fair value gap from 15-minute chart. Even if it wants to go higher, it has to trade that fair value gap if it is not extremely bullish then. Yep. No, this not good. This not good. It should not be broken. Should not be broken. Okay, another loss. Two loss in a row. Okay. I will let it go for some times. Then I will try one more time. So far it's near about for $800. So cool. Am I bearish? No, I'm not bearish. Still I'm sorry, I'm not bullish. Still I'm bearish. Trying Reebok. Keep reading with you, brother. Thank you, Ryan. But there is double top from 9:30 candle. I believe price will be bearish after this liquidity is taken. You are talking about this one? Let me check it. If you ask me, I really don't want to see that. I don't want to see this parabolic gap is broken. I really don't want to see that. Market should not go above that high. I really don't want to see that, because if market go above that high, that means another market structure shift toward the buy side. Okay, if market go above that high, that will be the market structure shift according to the buy side. I don't want to see that. I mean, yeah, this low is valid for shifting market structure. Now there was no low that was valid for shifting market. This low is not valid for shifting market structure. Okay, this is the breaker block. That's why I marked the low and the high. I was thinking this is the breaker block. This breaker block is going to hold the price. This low is valid for shifting market structure. Now I'm gonna remove the breaker block actually, and I'm gonna keep that market structure shift low in my chart. This low is valid for shifting market structure. This low was not valid for shifting market structure. So if you are actually trading, you didn't get the market structure shift yet. Now you didn't get it. But okay. So here I'm gonna push my button one more time depending on the mitigation block. So this is that mitigation block. High, low, lower high. This is the mitigation block here. Okay, I missed one thing. Market has to close below that mitigation block, then it will be mitigation block actually. But it can be the mitigation block. This thing can be the mitigation block if a body can close just below that low. It can be the mitigation block. High, low, lower high. This high has taken by that high. See, here is your SMT. This high is taken by that high, where this high failed. I mean, this high failed to take that high. This is the SMT. You got that mitigation block, but it will be mitigation block when market will close below that mitigation block. So it has to close below that mitigation block first. So I'm leaving this first parabolic up actually. So that should be the mitigation block actually. If it can close below that mitigation block, it's gonna be the mitigation block, and my stop loss will be above here. I will actually add one more, then I will put my here. If it can close over here, then it will be the this will be a valid mitigation block according to the rules. Okay, according to the rules, this is going to be the mitigation block. 3, 2, 1, 0. This is a valid mitigation block. If price can tap over there, or if it can go very near to that mitigation block, this is a very confirmed mitigation block. I'm gonna actually put my stop loss above the mitigation block now. So here I'm gonna put it above the mitigation block. I'm gonna believe that market is going to fall now. Here at the same time you got the market structure shift. There is a fair value gap. See here, there is a fair value gap. So price can reach until that fair value gap one more time over here. It can reach until that fair value gap because you got the market structure shift as well. So over here I have mitigation block. I have I mean the first fair value gap, though it was broken, but still I'm going to use that one. This last fair value gap can hold the price, send it back until that fair value gap. It can do that. There is nothing wrong with that. Here you have the mitigation block. Why? High, low, lower high. Okay, so everything is in line. Let's see if this time it works or not. If I'm not wrong perfectly, it should work. I'll put it above that high. All everything will depend on that fair value gap. If it broke perfectly, then you will see the biggest run. Okay, the biggest run you have ever seen. This fair value gap, it's the last fair value gap that should be broken. If I'm not absolutely wrong, then just past 50k apex evil. Congratulations. Set by stop. Yeah, I did it. I don't forget it. Okay, even if I see bigger run, I actually close the trade by my manually. Need that to stay open. Breakaway gap. Elmer Alvarez, yeah, I'm not saying that that is the breakaway gap. Till now, that is our perfect 22 YT model. So that gap can be traded. If it is unfilled, then it's kind of the sign that market really love to go lower. Very, it's very hurry to go fall. Okay, if it left that open, then it will happen. But if it trade that, then you will see some consolidation, but it will keep falling, 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 something like that. Yeah, but it is what it is. Actually, I will see the run from here to here. It's gonna be 30 handle, more than enough. Just more than enough. If I get that. Again, price can reach until that fair value gap. Okay, don't forget about that fair value gap. This fair value gap. It should reach over there within 3 candle. If it fails, then it's not good. If it reach over there after 5 to 6 minutes, it's not good. It should fall. Either way, it either fall or it has to trade that very soon. 3 to 1 candle within 1 to 3 candle. It is now just trading the what is that mitigation block low and this last fair value gap. So this is the range bound. Let's try who is going to be the winner. I want to see this mitigation block will be the winner and this will be broken. As my bias is bearish, I'm bearish. That's why. Okay, again, please don't copy my trade. If I take a loss, I will digest that, but maybe it's gonna be very difficult for you to digest so many losing entry in a row. Yeah, please be careful of that. Okay, I'll go short in PM. No problem. Ghost in the machine. Please, man. There is nothing wrong with that. If you just let go one session, that's perfect, man. You just spend one session for reading the price. That's cool. It tapped to the 50-minute fair value gap. I'm gonna remove this 15-minute parabolic gap. I'm gonna mark this 15-minute parabolic gap over here. So it has traded that 15-minute parabolic gap, and now it's going higher. That 15-minute parabolic gap. If I'm not absolutely wrong, then market should fall. If I'm not absolutely wrong, then market should fall now. And if I'm 100% wrong, then yeah, there is no more opportunity to take short from that area. No more opportunity. Market has traded that parabolic gap. This is the time to fall or go higher. I mean, just break every level. It has. Just break every level. Everything. Three short, I mean, three wrong trade in a row. I'm not going to take short anymore here because it proved me wrong 3 times. Let's wait for the better option. Is market extremely bullish? I need to now see that if it is extremely bullish or not, because this parabolic gap is respected. If this high is taken, then market is extremely bullish. And need that to stay open. Okay, it didn't. Okay, it didn't give us a good pullback. Not interested anymore to take buy or to take sell, because it proved me 3 times wrong in a row. Here, the first parabolic gap didn't work. The very nice 22 YT model didn't work. Mitigation block didn't work. So yeah, seek and destroy mode. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for the better option next time. Then I will go for the trade. Yes, making higher highs. Okay. Yep. You can see that. I'll just let it go. I will just let it go. It's just going above the equal high at 9:30. Failed to go in premium. Now it going in premium. Let's see, brother. This equal high can be taken. Yeah, absolutely right. But all I want to see, it's not taken. That's all I wanted to see. It should not be taken because that will be the market structure shift from 15-minute chart. I didn't want to see that. Okay, guys, I don't know what you are talking about. I mean, you maybe are looking for buy. Maybe market is going higher. I'm not looking for buy. Okay, still I'm selling. I would love to take sell. Still, I will look. I would love to take sell, and yeah, I will go for the sell because here I have this relatively equal lows. See this lows. I have this sell liquidity. I believe that market is going to take that sell liquidity here. This low, that low, and that low. They are all relatively equal lows. I'm believing that market is going to take that lows. Okay, so here this sell side liquidity should be taken, then market will go below that, and finally market will reach here. That's my target, and I would love to see that. I'm not bullish. Okay, I'm not bullish. Even if market went higher, take that high, it come here, I'm not bullish. I'm not gonna take buy. Okay, SMT done and it's sell. I'm wrong 3 times, so I'm not gonna push my button here. I'll push my button when I will get the confirmation. When it will be broken, then I will go for the sell. This last fair value gap from 15 minute chart, if it is broken, then I'll look for sell. Otherwise, I'm not gonna push my button from here now because it proved me wrong 3 times in a row. Yeah, market refusing to go higher. Okay, Alex, let's see. As I told you, okay, if it is market go above that high, what do you see from 50 minute chart? This swing high is valid for shifting market structure because this high has traded that fair value gap. This low has taken a lot of liquidity. If market can go above that high, that is the market structure shift. I don't want that market structure shift. If it happens, still I'm not bullish. So that's why I told I don't want to see market will take that high. Okay, that's the only reason I don't want to see it will be taken. Now I'm bearish. I will be bearish until it proves me wrong. Till now I am not wrong because market didn't break that high. It is just respecting the fair value gap from 50 minute chart and from 1 minute chart. So this is the 1 minute last fair value gap, 50 minute fair value gap. It is just respecting those fair value gap. So I'm not wrong. I'm still bearish, brother. Take swing from London high to New York AM low and mark equilibrium. So if we look at New York AM session range, this sheet is untradable. I can see it. I can see it, man. Instead, I will try. I will just make the profit from here. I will still make the profit from here. Even after this type of price action, I will catch the big run. I will catch the big fish from here. Trust me. I'm gonna catch the big fish from here. Are you no हिंदी लैंग्वेज थोड़ा थोड़ा आता है ब्रदर थोड़ा थोड़ा हिंदी आता है मुझे उतना ज्यादा अच्छा नहीं है पर समझ लेता हूँ ओके could it not be a fake breakout instead of MSS do fake breakouts occur at MSS obviously fake breakout happens also but here that was not immediate reaction after market structure shift I wait for 3 candle 1 2 3 within 3 candle if market fail to trade that fair value gap I don't trade or I don't take entry depending on the 22YT model so here if you look for 22YT model that is not the immediate reaction so if it is not the immediate reaction there is no setup for you I told that for I mean I have already made the video as well about that the immediate reaction okay market has taken the liquidity market structure shift very nice market structure shift with the displacement this is the fair value gap. How long market takes to trade that fair value gap? One, one, sorry, after shifting market structure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Takes 5 candle to reach over here. I'm not interested to take that sell. Depending on that, what to say, I mean the 22 ID model. Okay, I'm not interested at all. Okay, this guy came to this parallel gap. It should expand higher now. Yeah, cool. Then if this guy is going higher, why this guy is going higher? It should fall. Fall, baby. Don't make me wrong. Me the perfect setup over here again. Let me add more here actually. Here. Let me add more, brother. Hourly chart still looks bearish. It should fall, brother. It should fall from the very beginning. It should fall. It's just consolidating around this range, this high and that low. It's just consolidating, so it should fall. Now, if I'm absolutely wrong, then it's not going fall, but otherwise it should fall from every time frame. I don't need to come here. I don't need to go anywhere. I can still feel that it should fall. Market has traded over there. Market structure shift. This is the fair value gap. Market has traded that fair value gap. It should fall until that hourly fair value gap. Until here, it should fall. Okay. From 15-minute chart, it should fall. From 5-minute chart, it has traded that last fair value gap. From 5-minute chart, it should fall. From 1-minute chart, it should fall. If you come here for the dollar index, dollar has come to that last hourly fair value gap. That is the reaction. Price came to that fair value gap. It is going higher toward that buy side liquidity. There is the buy side liquidity, so market is going toward that buy side liquidity. So it should fall. Every single thing is telling me market should fall. But if it is keep going higher and keep pushing my stop loss, I'm helpless. But still, I'm trying to catch the big run. I would love to catch the big fish over here. This time I actually put my biggest stop loss so that I don't want to be chopped up around here. So that's why I put my highest stop loss. Let's see how it works. Don't force it, brother. I'm not forcing it. I'm actually working with the price, but it's not working with my expectation. Every single thing is telling me market is going to fall. So if you come here from hourly chart, what can you see? Just look at the price. What can you see? Market went lower, right? It came here, it went higher. Where did it go? To that fair value gap. When it has traded that fair value gap, it should fall until that hourly fair value gap or this low. This low should be taken here. That low should be taken. This is from hourly chart. So I'm not forcing it from the hourly chart. Let's go to 15-minute chart. So from 15-minute chart, this is that fair value gap which is actually holding the price. This here to here. Look, see, it is just holding the price. This fair value gap from 15-minute chart, it's holding the price. There was a reaction from that fair value gap. I'm happy with that. That it is stopping me out. Okay, no problem. I got stopped out from that reaction. I'm happy with that. It should fall because this fair value gap is holding the price. Market can't reverse from random area, so it should reach until that fair value gap. It should fall. Now let's go to 5-minute chart. It came to that last fair value gap. Very nice reaction from last fair value gap. It should fall. It should go through this fair value gap perfect way. In a perfect way, it should break everything over there. In 1-minute chart, this is that last fair value gap from 1-minute chart. See, let me mark it here. This 1-minute fair value gap is holding the price. Look over here. See the bodies. How did it close inside that 1-minute last fair value gap? Come back one more time. Try to break that 1-minute last fair value gap. Failed. It's going lower. It should fall. So from every time frame, it's telling me that it should fall. But if it is not falling, either it is consolidating or it's just making me more, more wrong over here. I'm always right. I don't want to be wrong. So yeah. I'm not forcing the market. Here is the price action. You don't anticipate it, how can you go for it? So yeah, over here there is daily one. Okay, for the dollar index. Look, this is the last parallel gap from dollar index. Price came here to that last parallel gap, went lower. This parallel gap should hold the price. After this, can you see this down close candle over here? This is that mid candle. If you look that as a order block, nothing wrong with that, or the fair value gap. Anything you want to mark, no problem. This order block should hold the price, send it back toward that buy side liquidity. This high and that high, all of this high should be taken by here. Okay, so it should go expand higher. Every single thing is telling me market should fall. Now, if it doesn't fall, that's not my fault, brother. I tried to catch it, so I just missed it. So yeah, that's the fact, brother. But I'm not forcing it, okay? I'm not forcing it, to be honest. Let's see if it can break that travel cap or not. This is the only barricade in my way which has the power to stop the price, send it back higher again, and hit my stop loss again. This travel gap has that power. Only this travel gap has that power. So I want to see market will break this travel gap. It will go through this travel gap. That's all I want to see. Is there anything wrong? No, I don't think so. Now market came back one more time below the constant crossment of that 15-minute parallel gap. So remember, this is the 15-minute parallel gap. So it came back again one more time. So this is the first time I will see that as a fake breakout. This is the second time when market came back again below that constant crossment. So it should work below this constant crossment now, and it see this workout over here. It should happen now below this 15-minute parallel gap. The first how when price came here above this 15-minute parallel gap, it worked above the 15-minute parallel gap. Now it should work below the 15-minute parallel gap. For that, it has to break this parallel gap. This is the only obstacle which has the power to stop the price, send it back again. So all I want to see, market will go through this. If it is happening, you will see the run, man. Very, very, very big run. You can see this is the 11 macro. I guess all of you guys actually forgot about the macro. I was reminding that macro, so I tried to catch that macro run. So I thought that using the macro, market will fall. Market actually didn't use the macro toward the run. Instead of that, it went toward the opposite run. Okay, it went here. Still, this is what it is. Okay, we need speed now. Absolutely, Alvarez, we need the speed now, and that speed has to break this parallel gap. If this parallel gap is broken by one candle, ah, that's gonna be the dream. Okay, that's gonna be the dream. If the speed can break this last parallel gap, only this parallel gap should have been broken. Then I have nothing who can stop me to take that sell side liquidity. We will get some reaction from there, but we don't care about that reaction because this reaction has no power. Send back the price until here. This last parallel gap has no power. So this parallel gap has the power to send it back until that high one more time or that last parallel gap. So all I want to see, market will break this parallel gap. If it is going to happen, this sell side liquidity is going to be taken. Finally, market is coming over here. That's for sure. Check yes if it makes a reversal. Now it give it from random area. Uh brother, I actually don't trade yes for a long now, but let me check actually. This is the 15-minute chart. Market has traded that parallel gap, went higher, take all the liquidity, market structure shift, and it has traded anything. No, it didn't. So there is a parallel gap to reach until that parallel gap. If I go to hourly chart, let me check if there is anything or not. Okay, over here. Market has traded anything here? No, nothing. So it's the order block. Market actually traded the bullish order, sorry, bearish order block for the imminency over here. And what do I have? What do I have? I have nothing from hourly chart. Let me check from 15-minute chart. I have this relatively equal lows over here. Here. So it should take that relatively equal lows at least. If market is over jealous, it can go for that relatively equal lows. This low should not be taken. I don't believe that market is going to take that sell side liquidity. I don't believe that. Okay. So if it happens, that's kind of I mean, I don't know what happened over here. Oh, okay. Still, I'm not stopped out. Still, I'm not stopped out. I'm happy. I'm happy to see that. Still, I'm not stopped out. Market failed to close below that fair value gap. That's not good. It has to close below that fair value gap. Leah FF trades. Okay. Okay. NQ saying I don't want to go down in morning. Okay. That means price still need correction upper to be in sync with NQ. Yeah, it can happen. It can happen. I mean, I'm not trading ES for so long now. Okay. So I want to spend more time with ES to see what is happening over there. As I'm not trading ES, so I just can't tell you what is going to happen over there. That's all, brother. I need more time to cope up with ES. I just can't go over there and tell that what it is going to do. I need more time. This is that order block that should hold the price, send it back. If it is not the fake breakout, you will see the bigger run. So this fair value gap is broken by that candle. The very next candle come back inside this fair value gap again. Okay. So if it is not the fake breakout, I don't know it is fake breakout or not. If it is not fake breakout, market will fall dramatically. If it is a fake breakout, I'm in a problem. So I'm gonna put my stop loss over here now. I don't want to take more risk, so I will just put it over there. Market should not go over there one more time around that area. So I'm gonna put my stop loss over there. This is not good at all. So it's kind of fake breakout. I don't like fake breakout. Fake breakout just send the price. This fair gap has the power to send it until here. It has that power. Okay. So even S&P has taken all the buy side. Let's see now if it can fall or it just keep going higher. Okay, I got it stopped out again. Is that my fault? I don't think so. Market is just consolidating, so I got chopped up. If you ask me what is my expectation now, I would love to see the higher run. Market should expand higher now. It has no need to go lower now. It has to go higher now. Yeah, I will go for buy now. This fair gap is holding the price. This is a very nice market structure shift. Either if you go for that or that, any of that is perfect for shifting market structure. Market should expand higher now until that last fair gap. It should do that. But it is very choppy, very choppy. I went break even. That's cool, man. It's just choppy. The market has the range bound like here to here inside this price action, just like London session. Price was inside these two legs, and then finally it went higher, break the break the range, then it fall. It can happen the same thing. Price is inside these two level, these two range. It can go higher now until the last level gap, then it can fall. So here, kind of a situation 50-50. I will go for the PM session again. I'll just do that, but I'm not interested to take that entry. I believe that this is, maybe this can happen. I mean, this can happen now. Market can go higher now from that fair value, but I'm not going to take that entry because this is against my expectation. If it is against my expectation, I'm not gonna do anything. Mhm. We failed to see bearish displacement. That was perfect, man. Everything was perfect. I mean, market should go lower, but it didn't. Okay, it didn't. Instead of that, I am believing now market is going higher with some speed. Okay, because market is in the range bound. This is the high. This is the low. From 9:30 to here, price was inside that range. Market has to break that range. The same thing over here. Market was inside that range over here. Then finally, market break that high. It has broken that high, then it falls dramatically. So I'm just expecting the same thing over here. Market is going to break that high, this high. It is coming here somewhere. Trade the either last parabolic or that last parabolic, then it is going to fall dramatically. It's going to fall. That's kind of expectation right now, but I know I'm not gonna push that button even if I'm so confident of that. But now I'm not gonna push the button because lot of level I have now, which is actually respecting market is in range bound. I don't know how far it will be inside that range. This candle low, that candle high. The market is inside that range. I have no idea how far it will stay in between them. In between them. Herman, it's okay. Be wrong, my friend. You were very okay. See you 18200. See you in 18200. What do you have at 200? Okay. You are thinking that market is going to take that high. Okay. Yeah, man. See you over there. I am expecting right now market is coming here somewhere. Either this last parabolic cap or that last parabolic cap or that last parabolic. Any of these three parabolic cap will be triggered. Then market will fall. I'm seeing like that. Well, this is going to be broken. I'm gonna remove it. So this parabolic cap is the winner over here. It came one more time to that parabolic cap. Now it's going higher. Let's see if it can reach over here or not. Alvarez, you went break even. Congratulations, brother. Didn't we fail to see bearish? Okay, I think both side manipulation after that consolidation. Absolutely, brother. Both side manipulation after the consolidation. I'm looking down now. No, I'm not looking down now. I'm looking up now. Just look at this, brother. Here, this leg. Let me mark it. So from here to here. Here, right? Market was inside that run for so long. From 11:50 to until 5. So near about 5 hours, price was inside that range. Then finally, market went higher, break all the buy side liquidity, then it went lower, take all the sell side liquidity. Same thing is going to happen over here. Market is going to break the buy, then it is going to take that sell. It's going to happen like that way. So today's Tuesday. Actually, this is the manipulation day. So market is actually doing the real manipulation. This is the real manipulation. It has taken that buy now. Now either it will expand more higher. If you get any kind of sell setup, you will go for that sell. If you don't get it, just let it go. If you get any kind of sell setup, go for that. Otherwise, just let it go until the last fair look up from here, here, or here. Until then, market will keep going higher. Then market will fall again. If you go to your 50-minute chart, you can mark this last fair look up, actually this high, or that fair look up. Yeah, you can go for that fair lookup as well, or this last fair lookup. It can reach until that fair lookup as well, but market is going higher now, that for sure. The same thing is going to happen over here. It happened over here. It is going to happen over here as well. Broken. this high is broken, you will see the expansion toward the high, then it will fall. Waiting for 18153 high to be taken, MSS, and then down. Okay, if I get any kind of market structure shift to the lower portion, I will go for sell again, and this time I will go with my maximum levels. That means five contract. Okay, I will start with two, but I will end up with five. But here I'll just mark the last parallel gap, this one and that one. That's the last parallel gap. If market would love to reach over here, nothing is wrong. Still now market is trading the last parallel gap. This is the last parallel gap from 1 minute chart. So still market is trading that last parallel gap over here. If market would love to come here, no problem with that. Then we will look for the sell. But here, as I told, if I get any kind of market structure shift, I'll go for that. Love gunfire, boom. Now I told that it's against my expectation. So if I ever see the run against my expectation, I don't go for that. I don't care how obvious that run is. I don't care. Still, I don't go for that. I never go for that. TP, yeah, I am funded, man. I'm funded for so long now, for so long, and it's near about 1.5 years now. I am funded. I have completed 100k. Still, I have completed. Can you please pay for that 100 dollar account, 100k account, brother? Please pay for me, man. Here in this account, I'm able to take $6,000 loss in a day. Okay. Do you use your macro strategy as an entry model for your high time frame analysis? The macro strategy doesn't need the high time frame analysis. If you want to mix the macro strategy with the high time frame analysis, you are going to be dump. Okay, so you can't do that. Trend top Steven 72% long on NQ. Yeah, so finally market actually went higher. It has broken the range. This range has been broken. Let's see if this fair value gap can hold the price and send it back. If it fails, then I will go for that fair value gap. If it is also fails, then I will go for that fair value gap. Still, I'm bearish. Okay, I'm not bullish. Try to understand. I'm not bullish. Over here, I'm not bullish. Now, if you ask me, where was your entry? Till now, you didn't get any setup. How to pay? No, 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 Muslim. I was just kidding, brother. I was just kidding, man. You don't need to pay, man. Here, you had no entry. Why? Look, where did you get your market structure shift? This low is valid for shifting market structure. This low is valid for shifting market structure. This is your fair value gap. Perfect setup. How long it takes to come here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candle. It takes 5 candle to come here. It's not valid. It's not valid. Okay. So you are not going to take that entry. Then did you get any market structure shift? This low, when it is shifted over here, that is your market structure shift. Is that a displacement? No, this is not a displacement. Was there any fair value gap? No, there is no fair value gap. You don't have any sell setup. If you look for the buy setup, I can't tell that. Okay, I can't say that there was no buy setup. There was a perfect buy setup over here. Market has taken the liquidity market structure. Okay, this swing high is not valid for shifting market structure. Yeah, so no, you didn't have the market. uh, okay, let me check actually. Yeah, okay. there was not buy setup, there was no sell setup. So whoever tried, except this one, okay, still this is not also a valid setup. So here all of this price action, there was no setup. If you take any entry, that means you are gambling. The way you know how to trade, right? Market will take some liquidity, market structure shift, fair value gap, you will take your entry. So the way you take your entry, there was no setup. So if you take the entry, that means you are actually gambling. So if you are gambling, that's your problem, brother. You should not gamble. You look for something very common that works most of the time. So you will go for that. You should not take entry depending on your thinking. Okay, you should not do that. So here, no setup till now. Until now, there was no setup. No buy setup, no sell setup. Nothing happened over there. Yeah, that's all, brother. The bearish moves are like falling, like they have gravity in them. No, man. Still, it will spend some time over here because it didn't trade the fair value. I mean, order block. So there was no order block retest. There was no first fair value gap. Just accept this breaker block. This breaker block. So I'm gonna believe this breaker block is going to hold the price. First, market has to close below that breaker block, then it will be valid as a breaker block. If it can close below that low, then it will be valid as a breaker block. If it is a breaker block, then maybe market will use that breaker block to fall. I took the entry when market was just below that breaker block mean threshold. Yeah, I try to take, if I'm ever overzealous and I'm overconfident with my bias, I push my button. I don't wait to make that breaker block properly. I push my button beforehand. Okay. Yeah. If market can close below that low, then it will be the breaker block, high, low, higher high, and then maybe you will see some kind of lower run, something like that. Okay. So Mimi, but what is your setup for this short now? Yeah, I am just looking for this breaker block, brother. Just this breaker block. Still, it's not breaker block, but if it can be the breaker block, then market should not break that high. But I actually cover the consequent encroachment of that week. So if I'm not wrong, market should not reach above that consequent encroachment one more time. It should fall. But it is what is. Still, you don't have any entry. Again, guys, you don't have any entry. If you push your button, as I told, I am able to take $6,000 loss. Are you able to do that? I don't think so. In my account, I had near about $47,000. I am unable to withdraw my money. It's because, you know, I'm in Bangladesh, so I'm unable to do that. So even if I take $6,000 loss, I don't care. I can mitigate my loss in a good day. Yesterday I took near about 200 to $2,000 plus loss. Okay, maybe today I will take 3,000 loss more. How much it will be? 5,000 maximum 5,000. Not even it will hit my maximum loss limit. If I get just one trade, I will go with the maximum contract size. My maximum contract size is five contract. Okay, it's not for the for the top step. For top step, I can take maximum 15 contract, but for me, 5 contract is maximum. So if I get something very cool, I'll go for that 5 contracts entry so that I can mitigate all of my loss. But it's your job. How much can you take? How much can you digest? Okay, just watching to enter another trade. Bookmap has a level as liquidity. Did you take the entry as turtle soup? No, I didn't take that entry as a turtle soup. I'm believing this is going to be the breaker block. This candle low, that candle high. This is going to be the breaker block. I'm believing like that. Okay, I'm not sure yet. But if market can close below that low, then this will be the breaker block and market should fall. That's my expectation. Inna, just watch to enter another trade. What was that, brother? I mean, uh, they took the buy or they took the sell. Okay, let me know that they took the buy or they took the sell, because I never see the book map in my life. I didn't see that. Okay, so did they take the buy or did they take the sell? Just let me know that. Why can't you withdraw? Because I'm in Bangladesh and Bangladeshi. I am trying to. I was trying to withdraw my money through TransferWise, but still they didn't verify my TransferWise account, and my Bangladeshi bank account doesn't allow that. There's some regulation in Bangladesh from Bangladesh, so yeah, I'm unable to withdraw my money right now. Took a long and took my profit. Oh, okay, then took a short and took my profit. Okay, cool. What they took right now? They took buy or they took sell? Just let me know that. Okay, brother. Falling on the breaker block low, like this is its sitting place. So it is actually sitting on the breaker block low. I don't like it, man. I really don't like it. I want to see it will fall like a like boom, something like that. How many times you will make me wrong, brother? How many times? Tell me. Now watching to get into a long. Oh, okay. So last trade was a sell scalp. Okay. Now it's showing you to take a long. That means you are against my sell. Ah, maybe it's not going to work. Then I should close my trade as soon as possible. I can. I will close it, brother. Do not care about trading during lunch. I always care about that. I mean, I always try to avoid the lunch hour. I always try to do that. Okay, but yeah, sometimes I take entry around the lunch. If I get something very obvious, then I take the lunch. Otherwise, I don't trade in lunch. So I added one more when it tapped to the breaker. So there is now three contracts. Let's see if I am wrong or not. So from here to that last five lookup, it's gonna be 23 handles. So I don't want to do that. I wanna take one contract off here, not one actually, two. I want to off over here. To that specific fair lookup, I want to look to off over there. And I will keep the rest one until maybe here. Until that 15-minute last fair lookup, I will just let it go until there. I don't want to see market close above that constant customer stop. Fall dramatically now. And I'm going against the book map. So please, I'm really so afraid because I'm going against the book map with a huge levers. Okay, with a huge levers, I'm going against the book map. What broker you trade with? Top step. I'm trading with top step, brother. No, I was with you in a trade, then flipped to scalp a quick short. Oh, okay, that's cool. It should not close above the constant encroachment of that breaker, even if it went higher. That can be a mohawk. I'm pretty much confident. I mean, careful about that mohawk. That's why I put my stop loss just little above of that breaker, little above. So if it is a mohawk, then I won't be stopped out. Still, I'm safe. If I'm right, if I'm absolutely wrong, then it's gonna be a problem. This is the breaker block high. This is the low. Can trade until that breaker block high and can make some mohawk. I'm just coming back. It's not gonna be a good day. I am going to take little drama. Hey Peter, we are already having drama. Where is Peter? Peter is not here. Do you think we'll get large fall before FOMC though? Uh, I would love to see FOMC will make price higher. Okay, so by using FOMC, market will expand higher. I want to see that. That's why I'm bearish right now. If market keep going higher, then maybe then market will go lower by using the FOMC. It will depend on that. So far, my target was until here. There was the sell side liquidity, and I told that I am bearish until that new week opening gap. Here, all of this thing is just a reaction. I'm seeing this as a reaction. In that type of situation, yeah, I'm getting stopped out, but yeah, still I'm bearish. I'm not bullish. Why? Because I'm believing that market should go low and it should take that sell side liquidity over here and it should reach until that hourly fair value gap by today. By today, okay? So even if it fails to come here to take trade that hourly fair value gap, it has to close around that area today. So that tomorrow at the morning session it can go for that hourly fair value gap. It can go for that, okay? So I'm just coming back. Let it go. It has made the relatively equal highs over there. That's not good at all. Actually, I'm gonna close my trade over here with small loss. I'm gonna close it because market has made that relatively equal highs. Let it take that relatively equal highs, or if anything it wants, then I will add more. I'll take re-entry. If it wants to take that relatively equal highs over there, then this low is valid for shifting market structure. I will go for that 22 YT model and I will use the 12 macro, 1150 to 12 macro. So let's see if it can do that. This low, if market can go below that low, I'm gonna take re-entry. I close a chart with break-even session. No problem, January. Every day is not for trading. Sometimes, yeah, you have to close at the break-even. Sometimes you are going to close with the profit, like last week. That was huge, huge week. And this week so far it's not good. I will post how much I took the loss, but yeah, still I'll be able to mitigate my loss today. I believe that, and I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna catch the big run, the lower run, which is going to be happen very soon. I'm gonna catch that. This is that consolidation high. If you remember, this is that consolidation high here, that high. So right now market is working around that area. While I want to see market will break little lower. If it can go little low, I just saw this is relatively equal highs, but later when I make it more larger, I saw it's not relatively equal highs. This high has taken that high. So my mistake. I thought it's absolutely the relatively equal highs, but it's okay. If it can go below that low one more time, then I will add more again. Okay, I'll take re-entry if it can go below that low again. I'm not bullish. Okay, now here this is the thing. If it is going against my bias and if I want to stay with the setup, what is the setup? Market will take the liquid. I'm just repeating this again and again, guys. If you just wait for the setup, till now you didn't get any setup till now. No market structure shift and in immediate reaction from that trade. If you here to copy my trade, you will be chopped up. If you are not here to copy my trade, congratulations, brother. You are learning something. There is no setup till now, no setup at all you can go for. Never the market structure shift happened yet until now. Yeah, until now there was no market structure shift happened. So yeah, there is no setup till now. Okay, it breaks 18115, it will fall. 18115, what is that? 115, where is it? 115, okay, I got it. So you are talking about this fair value gap, maybe? No, brother. Ultimately, it's going to fall. It's going to fall. It has done its upper job. So That was my mistake. I thought I saw that this high and that high, they are relatively equal highs, so I closed my trade. But it has taken that high, so I actually missed that. You can see this one. This high has taken already over here. So liquidity has taken over there. I don't know. You can you see it? Is it clear? See, it has taken that liquidity. So I thought it didn't take. It has made relatively equal highs, but it has taken the equal highs with a shallow run. So market is going to fall from this breaker. So that is the breaker. My mistake. It's my my fault. Okay, over here. So that is the breaker. Overall, it's going to fall. I believe that. Okay, it doesn't need to close that fair value gap. It doesn't need to do anything. Overall, it's coming here to take that sell side liquidity, and finally it's going to close around that hourly fair value. I just told you, mark my word. Just mark my word. Okay, yeah, I just made it. Okay, great short. I just closed my trade, brother. Now today is really so many things is happening with me. Okay, no problem. But we will. I thought that I will catch that move, but yeah, I missed that move. Now it closed below here, but there is no fair value gap, so I have no option to take the entry. If I take my entry from a random level, I have to place my stop loss above that. See this relatively equal highs now, obvious liquidity. I have to place it above here. It's gonna be like 22 handle, not good. Not a good decision. High, low, higher high. There is another breaker over here. I can push my button from that breaker, but I don't want to. As I just closed it, I don't want to push my button over there because that entry was the perfect entry. Here I'm already late. So I don't want to chase the price. I'll just let it go. I will see how beautifully it will come around that area. See this low, that low, that low. They're all relatively equal lows. The market should go over there. And I'll just, I'll be the witness of that run. As I told, I was going to take that run, but maybe, yeah, I'm gonna miss that run. I don't want to take entry from a random level. Here I have no option to take that entry. The entry opportunity was either here or here. I missed both of them. Both of them. I took entry and I closed my trade because of my eye. I'm not old actually, but yeah, sometimes I messed up. Dun, 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 dun. A random reaction. I would love to mark a random reaction. This is just a random reaction. I know, it's a random reaction. What is the blue box and how to draw it? That blue box is the this fair value gap. Okay, when market went lower, it just went lower, came to this entry fair value gap, reaction send it to the last fair value gap, price came to that last fair value gap, went lower one more time, went higher to the last fair value gap, come back again to the last fair value gap. This is the reaction. Market is going to break that on. This is how market actually works. Last fair value gap to entry fair value gap, entry fair value gap to last fair value gap, something like that. I'm gonna remove that line from my chart, and yeah. So finally, actually, I have missed that run, I believe, and you will see a very nice run. I mean, very nice run. Okay, not the below one. Talked about this one. I mean, you asked that blue box, I guess. If that is your question, that is the last fair value gap from that run to that run. This is the last fair value gap. Price came here to that entry fair value gap, went higher to that last fair value gap, went lower. It came to this last fair value gap. Try to trade that breaker block, new breaker block maybe, and if it can break that last fair value gap, market will tap over here and it will just keep falling, something like that. Let me go to 15-minute chart. Yeah, from 15-minute chart, it has done its job. It has just perfectly closed that 15-minute fair value gap. It should fall now. From hourly chart, market has traded all of this hourly fair value gap. It should fall now. If I go to dollar index, It is still bull candle, still it is bull candle, so market should fall. This market should fall. This is a bull candle from hourly chart. Look, from hourly chart, this is a bull candle. This is also a bull candle from hourly chart for dollar index. So they are actually going to the same direction. Very difficult situation if you ever been in this type of situation. That's very kind of very difficult to trade in that type of situation. That's why I told that I am not able to take my entry over here because it can go to that obvious liquidity and it can trade that fair value gap one more time. So if even if I take that entry, my stop loss has to be above that fair value gap, which is I am unable. But here I'm gonna take buy. Sell stop over here, believing that this fair value gap is going to be broken. Breaker block, I don't need that one anymore. I'm gonna put my sell limit over here. Low, high, lower, low. The highest up close body candle, that is the breaker block again. This breaker block, I'm gonna just cover the breaker block with for some mohawk. So even if market would love to go lower, it will go higher again. Have to cover the mean threshold, I mean sorry, constant encroachment as well. Now it should expand higher if I'm not absolutely wrong. Absolutely see some kind of big run. Market just went lower, take all the liquidity, clean market structure shift from hourly chart. This is the setup you should look for even if you are here to trade. This is the setup you should look for because this is the only setup I got until now from, though it's against my expectation, but here I have nothing to do except this setup. I have no trade until now. I didn't see any setup for you guys. Market has taken the liquidity. This market structure shift is absolutely the valid market structure shift. This is the fair value gap. You will take the entry to that fair value gap. You will look for the buy side liquidity. I mean here this is the relatively equal highs, so you can go for that high actually. So there it should expand higher now if you are not absolutely wrong, because I just took that entry depending on that what to say, I mean 22 YD model. So far it is the only setup I got until now, and market is extremely bullish because market left that fair value gap like that way. It's extremely bullish, so it wants to reach a level first, then maybe it is going to fall. The same thinking like this, that just same thinking. So over here this is the last fair value gap, market can reach until that fair value gap. So I'm waiting to get that. If I'm wrong, I just put my stop loss in a logical level just below that consequent encroachment. This breaker block I covered, the breaker block I covered that breaker block as well, and market should expand higher if I'm not extremely wrong here. Yes, yeah. Now if market give me the run now to the opposite way, I'm done even for today. Yo brother, hey big UC, please refer some broker for currency in Dubai. I'm working over Dubai, but I'm from India. Brother, I have no idea which broker is better. But yeah, for me, I'm trading through Top Step. I was used to trading with FTMO, but when I find out Top Step and I able to push my button through Trading View, I really love this Top Step. Okay, so except Top Step, I don't see any other prop firm, and it's not a broker, it's a prop firm. So you have to pass the challenge first, then you will go for the, I mean, real account or something like that. Okay, then you can earn the real money. That's the fact, brother. So yeah, let's see if it can goes higher or not. Man, look at this price action. Seriously, just one run consolidation. It should work. There is nothing. It is the best setup till now. This is the best setup, and I have no idea how can make you. How can I tell you, man? Just market has taken the liquidity. Perfect market structure shift using the 1150 1210 macro. That is the fair value gap. Trade that fair value gap. Immediate reaction. Market should expand higher now. Just I have no idea how can I make more confident. I mean, if this type of setup doesn't work, I have nothing to say. I have really nothing to say. If this setup doesn't work today, then I have really nothing to say. I was bearish. Every bullish fair value gap is working as a support. Every bullish fair value gap is working as a support. So I thought when market has given me a chance for the 22 YT model, I should go for that. I took that entry depending on that breaker, depending on that fair value gap, depending on that last fair value gap broken, depending on that whole price action. I took that buy. It should work, otherwise, yeah, for higher prices. No, 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 no. It can't happen. Yeah, from hourly chart, no liquidity has taken. Even it didn't reach to that order block open. So yeah, it should expand little higher. Even if it wants to go lower. From 15-minute chart, no liquidity has taken. This is the market structure shift, just the market structure shift. From 5-minute chart, the last fair value gap is broken. Very nice displacement. Let's price trade that fair value gap one more time. It should go higher until that last fair value gap at least. So I am okay, I guess. Until now, I'm okay, I guess, but not 100% sure because I'm not getting the confirmation. This is the propulsion block. Market should react from that propulsion block. So the high and the open, both of them are the propulsion block. Market should react from that propulsion block. This is not a order block. Even this is not a order block. This is the propulsion block. This is acting as a order block, but this is not the order block. I will actually see how many handle I have. I'm not really confident. So 13 handle, that means 26 handle, and I will be able to cover near about 30 handles, $100. Okay. Yeah, let's see if it works or not. Okay, and I'm not going to do anything around that area. Even if this last purple cup holds the price, send the price back, I have nothing to do. Price getting disciplined. Let's see. Yeah, I see this is the lunch hour, but yeah, as I explained before, if you ever take the entry until 12:15 or 12:10, 12:10 is for obvious, but yeah, you can stay until maximum 12:15. You can stay. After 12:15, if there is any entry which is open, you have to close it. You have to close it after 15, okay? 12:15. No entry can be open in the chart. No entry can be open. So I'm gonna put my stop loss here because market came to the last fair value gap, so I'm gonna put my stop loss to the break even. If I'm wrong, then I'll be stopped out. 150 breaks with good volume. I will look for long. Congratulations, brother. Here, when price came here, I just can't close my trade because market came here. I just can't do it. Okay. So, I just can't do it. So I have to believe the process. I can see the market is not good today, and you can say, brother, are you bullish? No, I'm not bullish. Still, I'm bearish. I will just observe all the last fair value gap, then I will look for the sell, and I believe that I'm gonna catch that sell move. I'm going to catch that sell run, and I will give you the screenshot or the screen recorder, or if I am here in front of you, I will do that. I will catch that sell run. I believe that market is going to give me the sell run. When? I don't know. I have to catch every sell run. Oh man, what a price. Just going higher. Very deep retracement. Coming to the area. Stopping me out. Going other way. Just bullshit price action. See, seek and destroy. Low, high, lower low. I sorry, higher low. High, lower low. High, lower low. High, lower low. High, lower low. High. It is going to take some lower low, then it's going maybe again higher. How are you doing? I'm cool, man. Breaks with good volume. I will look for long. Okay, Krishna. Not good for today as well. So yesterday and today it's not good, but still today I'm confident that I'm gonna mitigate my loss because today is not going to be a bad day. Today is going to be the best day. I will take at least $1,000 from today. I will do that because still market is making the liquidity more stronger. Market is just making the liquidity more stronger. Every single time market is going higher, it is making this liquidity more stronger. So I will have a very big run from here to here, a very big run for my liquidity run. Not a good day. So yesterday and this week I have started with a very bad way, and yeah, no more trade for the AM session because it's the lunch hour. You need to take a break, take entries both direction, better stay away, chart few minutes. Yeah, it is already the lunch hour. If the run is not around the lunch hour, I'm gonna trade the PM session and I will try to catch that run. That's all, brother. Yeah, afternoon session, absolutely. Here. Oh man, what disaster. I mean, for taking the buy, even market went higher. Can you see if your stop loss is not protected? Your stop loss is not protected. Even if you want to take the buy, market has taken the liquidity, market structure shift. This is the fair value gap. Very immediate reaction. Take the buy. Market went higher. But look, before going higher, it went lower, stopped you out. Then it expand higher. Again, market went lower. It has taken all the low, then went higher. Market structure shift, trade that fair value gap. It should expand higher. It didn't. It come back again below that low. Maybe it will go higher now. Maybe. Okay, I'm not sure, but maybe it will go higher now. Still I'm bearish. Good night, brother. Remember, CIP is tomorrow. No, there is no CIP tomorrow. Neonti. Tomorrow we have FOMC. That's why market is little choppy. It's it happens when there is a big news just in front of you, like CPI and FOMC. Fed chair, so not Fed chair Powell. Uh, non-from payroll. Yes, sometimes it happens. Not good. Maybe tomorrow it will be a better day. Let's see, or the afternoon session. So yeah. So until the afternoon session, cheers, guys, and I will come back at afternoon. If you are here and if you are free, we will meet. Okay. See you guys. Bye bye.